Hello and welcome to this episode of Talking Trim. I'm Jonathon Skinner and today we are looking at some seat hardware parts for the headrest sections of the Jaguar E-types, also applicable to the Series 1 and Series 2 XJ6, XJ12 models. So what we've got here is we've got the actual headrest foams, a pair of, we've got the headrest spade and stalks, pair of, we've then got the stalk protectors, headrest stalk protectors there. We've got the finisher plate that goes on the bottom, and we've got a seatbelt retainer there. So all of these items are sold in car sets, i.e. pairs. You can see I've separated it in between the loose items there and then a semi-constructed one without the actual covers there. They're all optional extras, so they all fall outside the scope of our trim kits. Right, so headrest foams, probably seen other videos that I've done of this. Latex moulded foams with the slit in the middle of them for the spade there. Supplied these for absolute donkey's years. Work very well. You then got the spades here with a chrome stalk, as it were. So the stalk obviously slots into the backrest bracket. The spade goes inside there, as you can see here. You've then got the protectors, not original part. Basically, you'll find that when you come to trim the seats, the stalk here can sometimes sort of give a slight protrusion on the back of the backrest cover, obviously from the inside. So we sell these to allow you to protect the seat cover from the inside. So one, it protects it from potentially getting cut or scuffed over the course of time, but two, it also kind of minimizes the impact that this has, as at the moment when you trim them, you'll get almost like a slight little indentation on the back of the cover where the very bottom sits, whereas this, it kind of spreads that load and lessens it a significant amount. So very good product actually, really good, smartens it up. You've then got the headrest spade finishers, goes on the underside there. Excuse me, I'm battling the end of a cold at the moment. You can see here, so that's where the finisher goes there. So the spade's on the inside there and the finisher goes there. And then you've got the seatbelt retainer, again a aftermarket product, very good. So that goes on there as per this one here, and you slot your seatbelt through there. It stops the seatbelt from interfering with the seat cover. Those of you that have used these cars for a long period of time will understand that the seatbelt, obviously the over shoulder seatbelts only, not the 2.1s, only the 3.1s, they can over the course of time start damaging and scuffing the corner of your seat cover. So again, a product that we offer there to kind of minimize that. Worth noting on both of these items here, so the finisher and the seatbelt retainer element there, we do also though offer those trimmed up in the same materials and colors as your seat and interior if you want. So originally these were always black, which is what we commonly sell them as, but we can trim that up in, say you've got a matted or red interior or whatever, then we can trim those up in that so it all matches in. That's actually what I've got on my V12. And then same again on these, obviously originally they didn't exist, but commonly we just sell them in black, but we can trim those up for you in the matching material there, so see our website for more details. I think that covers all the bases. I hope you found that worthwhile. So bear in mind, all of these items are sold separately to one another and in car sets, so pairs, all outside the scope of the trim kit. See our website for more details. Thanks for tuning in. Please remember to like, subscribe and share with other classic car enthusiasts, and I'll see you next time.